I want to do this again, but I'm really scared because, I mean, what if someone ends up choking and dying on it? Because it's so dry and so cinnamony. Oh my God, this is not a good time to do it. I didn't eat all day and I'm getting kind of shaky. Should I do it? I'm scared. I'm scared. Sam! Help me. I don't know how you're going to help me, but help me somehow. I can do this. I can do this. I can't do this. I just put it in my mouth and I accidentally blew out my nose and it kind of like blew, like the cinnamon blew. I can't do this. I can't do it. Oh, gee. What? I'm scared. Yeah? Wow, good. Yeah, why good? I want to, but I'm scared. Every time I get it, like, I get to where I get it to my mouth and then I pull it away again, I'm scared. I keep replaying the last 2 times in my head. Ay, 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 ay. It smells weird. And it just went up my nose. It just went up my nose. You're saying a chicken, I'm a chicken. I am not Mary! Oh, you're not Mary. You'll never be Mary. You're way prettier, you're way cuter, you're smarter, I don't know. I can't stop being chicken, I'm a chicken, back, 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 back. I'm scared. I can do this. I can't do it. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh God, I've wasted 3 minutes, 59 seconds on this thing. I better hurry. Or not, I think my aunt's here. Okay, I better hurry. I can do this. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just like eating a bunch of powdered candy. So that's not even as bad as this. Not that bad. Not that bad. What the heck is that? It looks like glass in my cinnamon. Now that scares me. I can't stick it in my mouth. I'm gonna do it now. I can't do it. I cannot do it. I can't. I can't do it again. I can't do it. I was dumb to do it the second time. I can't do it again. I can't! can do this. I can do this. Let me get a drink first. I just spilled the drink on my shirt. I'm always spilling things on my shirt. Okay, I can do this. I can't do it. I mean, Joelle did it a third time. I mean, I'm sure there's people out there who can do it fourth time, and fifth time, and the sixth time. The worst that'll happen is I'll cough, and I'll need water. That's all. That's it. Oh, and then my throat and nose will burn. That's the only thing that'll happen. It's not that bad. I mean, I got my nose pierced. That was pretty drastic. I know. I got my ears pierced. I got my nose pierced. I want to get my tongue pierced. I mean, I hit into a tree and fell on some jagger bushes. I mean, that was worse. Huh? No, not yet. Okay, I'm about to do it now.
It's the LG TV with True Motion 240 Hz for unsurpassed motion detail. So is it a TV or something? Life's good. Nanomolecular. What? A force field that prevents sludge. Tired of the claims? Get a guarantee. Only Valvoline guarantees your engine up to 300,000 miles. Get Valvoline. Get guaranteed.
Not yet. I'm talking with it in my mouth. Is that cool? I even showed the camera. I just dropped some out of my mouth. Oops. That wasn't good. It's just on the floor. It was only a little tiny midge. Fine. Fine. That would. I'm doing it. No. I'm cleaning up my mouth. Okay, I'll do it again if I have enough cinnamon. That wasn't that bad. It burned a little bit, but not as bad as Joelle said it did. Well, maybe it's because I'm used to eating hot stuff, huh? Maybe I have an Encore Gourmet. Let me check the time, see if I have time to do it again. I have 9 minutes. I can't do it again. I'll just post it as another video, I guess, huh? Okay. I'm turning off the camera. I'll be right back.